Hi, I'm Kyla, and today I'm gonna do a color block with fashion colors with red and pink. We are using Matrix So Color Cult. We're doing Red Hot for one side and then bubblegum with a little bit of fuchsia for the pink. Do you know which way you want, where you want the placement of the color? The sectioning is going to be the most important part, and then to me, vivid colors is small sectioning when you're applying the color because you want to fully saturate it. Otherwise, you might have little spots where the color doesn't soak in. Also, I'm starting with the pink because the pink is lighter. So if I do accidentally get it on another piece, like I got a little bit right here, the red's going to cover it. If you notice with the pink, I went all the way up and did the perimeter, but with the red, because I'm shifting it so much, I knew that if I got pink where the red's supposed to go, it would still cover. But the red, I don't want to get on the pink because it will soak through. So instead of doing the perimeter, I'm just going up the head and saturating it throughout instead of doing the whole outside part. Because when I move it, I don't want it to touch that. I like pink. Pink's my favorite because that's my favorite color in general. I am a big fan of Redken. Their styling products are my favorite. When it comes to shampoo, I really like Matrix, especially for the vivid. I like the Matrix Keep Me Vivid. As far as styling, Redken is my go-to. And then I also really like Olaplex, night and day on everybody's hair. The pink did take. It looks good. I used Olaplex number 6, which is the leave-in, and number 7, which is the oil, just to make it easier to comb through, and it's a good leave-in strengthening, and it's gonna help smooth it when I do blow dry. And we cut her length the other day, so we're just gonna add layers right now. Sectioning is really big with anything in here. You wanna make sure your sections are just right. That's why I had her check the sectioning before I even cut to see if she wanted more or less. This is the Big Blowout by Redken. It's like a heat protectant and it's gonna help with volume. So cute.